something. We are talking about the good kind of freak. There is a difference. If you don't know the difference, our bass player Doobie will be holding a seminar behind Walmart on 103rd Street tonight. Walmart. Yeah.
Coupon notes, bring your coupon.
Double coupon night, he said. So that's kicking off about midnight, 103rd Street, if you don't know the difference, okay? Now, since we're talking about the good kind of freak, and this is a compliment, you're all part of the freak identification program. I want you to look around, and if you see any freaks out there, I want you to point them out for me. That's right, be proud, baby. We love the freaks. Let me see where the freaks are. Everybody find a freak. Look around, there you go. Yeah, it's Freakville, baby. This ain't Jacksonville, it's Freakville tonight. Well, that girl's a freak. You got one, Zach?